Apple has announced its newest Beats wireless earbuds, the Beats Fit Pro, priced at $199.99. And after launching Studio Buds earlier this year, the brand is back with the most premium Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds. The new product enters the Apple-owned brand's lineup and aims to bridge the gap in its lineup between the Studio Buds, which were released earlier this year, and the Powerbeats Pro. Fit Pros have active noise cancellation, IPX4 resistance to water and sweat, and up to 7 hours of continuous playback or 30 hours of total listening when case recharges are included. The most noticeable feature of the new earbuds is the tips of the wings, which are a permanent part of their design. Beats says it has done a lot of research and user testing to find the right material and level of elasticity. The tips of the wings are meant to help Fit Pros stay firmly in your ears no matter how hard your workout routine is. And unlike Studio Buds, which lack the usual Apple silicon, the Fit Pro includes an H1 chip, so it comes with a full suite of features like one-step pairing, automatic syncing across iCloud, and automatic switching between Apple products. It also includes dynamic head tracking for spatial audio. Beats has integrated a new skin detection sensor that debuted on the third generation of AirPods,